Hi, welcome back. Today we have a question which is in example 6.5 previously, if the Renault number were equated, the velocity in the model study was observed to be in the compressible flow regime where the Mach number shall be greater than 0.3 or velocity of the model more than 360 km per hour. To conduct an acceptable model study, could we use the velocity of 90 km per hour on the model with the characteristic length of 10 cm? Assume that the drag coefficient CD equal to FD over half rho B squared A, where A is the projected area, is independent of Renault number for Renault number greater than 10 to the power of 5. If so, what drag force on the prototype would correspond to a drag force of 1.2 Newton measured on the model? So for this case, we need to analyze what the question asks. So the question asks what the drag force on the prototype, and then here, to conduct the acceptable model study, could we use, this one is the condition, could we use velocity 90 km per hour on the model, right? Assume that the drag coefficient, man. Okay, what drag force? Right, so the question asks what the drag force on the prototype. So the first step, alright, we need to investigate the flow regimes. Alright, from previously we discovered that this is step number 1. Alright, from previous solution, it was found that, right, previously we found out that the velocity of the model to be 250 meter per second. Alright, this is under incompressible. So this question asks, when the compressible to happen, the Mach number shall be greater than 0.3 or velocity of the model shall be greater than 360 km per hour. So from here, let's derive the Mach number, which is velocity, local velocity of the flow over the local speeds of sounds, C. So in this case, the velocity of the model shall be equated with this Mach number to be compressible shall be equal to 0.3. So we replace here 0.3 multiplied with C, the speed of sounds. So the speed of sounds, 0.3 multiplied with the speed of sounds for in the air here in terms of meter per second, which is 343 meter per second. Alright, so you will get that the speed of the model when past this speed will consider as compressible, which is 102.9 meter per second. So previously we discovered that the speed of the model is 250, which is more than this speeds of the limited speed here. This is the speed of considered incompressible. More than this speed, which is 250 meter per second, this flow under compressible flow. So obviously, we can see that this is very high speed. This is under compressible flow. Alright. The prototype previously under incompressible. So now we need to adjust. The condition is, could we use the velocity 90 km on the model and the characteristic length 10 centimeter. So the first step, they're gonna ask us the condition. Can we use the VM of the model to be 90 kilometer per hour? This one we change to SI unit, become 25 meter per second, and the characteristic length of the model to be 10 centimeter, which is 0.1 meter. Alright, and then using mu, alright, kinematic viscosity of the model, the same 1.6 multiply with 10 the power of -5 meter cubic per second. This is standard condition. Right? So here we need the step number. This is actually step number 1. Right? Step number 2, we need to equate the Reynolds number. Equate with Reynolds number. So we need to find this Reynolds number. Right? So Reynolds number is, right, V. Reynolds number of the model is velocity of the model multiplied with the characteristic length of the model over mu. So velocity of the model is substitute to be 25, the new speed, multiply with the length of the model, which is 0.1, over mu, which is 1.6 multiplied with 10 to the power of -5. So the answer is 1.56 multiplied with 10 to the power of 5. This is definitely more than 10 to the power of 5. You can see here the condition where A is the projected area is independence of Reynolds number for Reynolds number more than 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so in this case, we can use this formula CD equal to FD over half rho V squared A when the Reynolds number more than 10 to the power of 5. Okay, so this is valid. So step number 3, we need to equate that equation. Step number 3, alright, equate drag. Okay, equate drag force to initial force. This is basically come from the CD equal to FD over half rho V squared area. So basically this is what they mentioned, drag force to the initial. So this is the drag force to the initial force. So we can equate the prototype to the model. So FD of the prototype over FD of the model equal to this one, initial force rho V squared. This area we can say that length multiply with length. So L squared. This is for prototype, and prototype over density of the model, V of the model squared, and the length of the model. So in this case, we know that this is conducted in air. So the density of the prototype same with the density of the model. Alright, we can cancel out this term, and then we can get the drag force of the prototype, which is FD. So we rearrange this one move here, multiply. So FD of the prototype equal to V prototype squared LP prototype squared over VM prototype squared over LM prototype LM squared multiply with FD of the model. So VP, velocity of the prototype, previously we discovered it is 90. The same here, it is 90 km per hour. So 90 km per hour, previously it is 25 meter per second squared, multiply with the length of the prototype. Previously it is 1 meter. Okay, 1 squared over with the velocity of the model. The new velocity of the model is 90 as well, kilometer per hour. Convert to meter per second as it become 25 as well. The same with the prototype. Multiply with the LM, which is 0.1 squared. Multiply with FD, the drag force of the model. So the drag force of the model right, we look at here, which is correspond to a drag force of 1.2 measured on the model. So 1.2 Newton is the drag force of the model. So just replace here 1.2 Newton. So calculate using the calculator, you will find the answer is 120 Newton. That is the final answer.